Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device off and unplugging the charger. This lowers electrical risk immediately. Once done, put on safety goggles and nitrile gloves to protect from leaking electrolytes. Make sure you work on a non-conductive surface like wood and have a small container ready. Inspect the case hinge or battery hatch to confirm removable versus built-in. If removable, you'll take it out now. If built-in, stop here and prepare for a safe teardown or professional service. You proceed to open the case carefully, using the correct driver and keeping screws organized in a labeled tray so reassembly is straightforward. Once inside, locate and gently disconnect the battery connector. You want to avoid bending contacts or stressing flex cables because they're fragile. When you free the battery, handle the swollen cell by its edges and support it with both hands, never pinch or puncture it. If adhesive is tight, warm adhesive areas briefly with a hairdryer. Do not use heat guns. You install an OEM or verified replacement battery, aligning the connector and seating it fully. Incorrect orientation can short or prevent charging. Reassemble the device and boot it, then perform an initial full charge to 100% and allow a complete discharge cycle to calibrate the battery meter. If the device fails to boot or charge, make sure the connector is seated, check the cable for visible damage, and measure battery voltage with a multimeter. If voltage is 0 or wildly out of range,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.